Hello friends, myself Nilesh Subhachan Jain, lecturer at DCS Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhule. In today's lecture, we will see the monophasic liquid dosage form which is meant for internal use, that is syrup. So there are monophasic liquid dosage form which are meant for internal use like mixture, syrup, elixirs and linctuses. So in this lecture we will see syrup. So syrup, which is a concentrated and nearly saturated solution of sucrose in a purified water. तर सुक्रोजचं जे सोल्युशन आहे विच इज अ सॅच्युरेटेड, विच इज अ कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड. सॅच्युरेटेड का म्हटलं आहे किंवा सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन का म्हटलं आहे? का? कारण की देर इज अ नो स्पेस रिमेनिंग और रिमेन्स फॉर अदर. दॅट्स वाय दॅट सोल्युशन इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन. म्हणजेच काय की त्या 100 ml मध्ये जास्तीत जास्त आपण 66.66% दॅट इज 66.7% वेट बाय व्हॉल्यूम एवढंच आपण सुक्रोज हे टाकू शकतो. त्याच्यानंतर जर टाकलं तर ते सुक्रोज त्या सोल्युशनमध्ये, त्या व्हेकलमध्ये सोल्युबलाइज होणार नाही किंवा डिझॉल्व होणार नाही. अँड दॅट्स वाय वी कॉल्ड ॲज अ सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन ऑफ अ सुक्रोज इन अ प्युरिफाईड वॉटर. The concentration of sucrose or sugar which is 66.7 weight by volume. म्हणजेच काय की 100 ml व्हेकलमध्ये 66.7% और ग्रॅम एवढं सुक्रोज ते असणार आहे. अँड दॅट सिरप विच इज अ स्वीट विस्कस प्रिपरेशन. द सिरप कंटेनिंग मेडिसिनल सबस्टन्स विच आर कॉल्ड ॲज अ मेडिकेटेड सिरप. जर सिरपमध्ये मेडिकामेंट्स टाकले असतील, जसं कफ सिरप आहे विच कंटेन अ कफ मेडिकामेंट, और अँटी स्नीजिंग सिरप विच कंटेन अ मेडिकामेंट विच आर यूज इन ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ स्नीज, दॅट इज सर्दीसाठी जे आपण यूज करणार आहे. अँड दोज कंटेनिंग ॲरोमॅटिक और फ्लेवर सबस्टन्स विच आर नोन ॲज फ्लेवर्ड सिरप. तर सिरपचा यूज हा फ्लेवर्ड म्हणून सुद्धा यूज केला जात असतो. इफ सपोज विच कंटेन ॲरोमॅटिक और फ्लेवरिंग एजंट और फ्लेवरिंग सबस्टन्स इफ सपोज ॲड इन अ सिरप विच दॅट सिरप इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ फ्लेवर्ड सिरप. सो वी सी the syrup advantage, that is the advantages of syrup. First advantage, that is syrup retards oxidation. The syrup which is a concentrated and saturated solution of a sucrose, and due to saturated in a nature it retards the oxidation, means rancidification. जे खराब होण्याची जी प्रोसेस आहे ती लवकर होत नाही किंवा सिरप हे खराब होत नाही, त्याचं ऑक्सिडेशन होत नाही. देन सेकंड ॲडव्हान्टेज, दॅट इज इट प्रिव्हेंट्स डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ मेनी व्हेजिटेबल सबस्टन्सेस. जे व्हेजिटेबल सबस्टन्सेस आहेत त्यांचा डिकम्पोजिशन होऊ देत नाही. का? कारण की हे कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड अँड सॅच्युरेटेड प्रिपरेशन आहे म्हणून. अँड दे आर पॅलेटेबल. Being sucrose which is a sweet in a taste, that's why that syrup is used as, or they are palatable in a nature. Then that syrup means is not used for a diabetic person. जे सिरप तयार करणार आहे that syrup is not useful for a diabetic patient. And for diabetic patient we use artificial sugar which contain sodium saccharin along with citric acid, carboxymethyl cellulose, orange oil, 20 carboxymethyl cellulose is used to get a desired viscosity, and sometimes we add a glycerol in that syrup. जे सिरप असणार आहे that syrup is not useful for a diabetic person or diabetic patient, and that's why we give another form, that is a syrup which is made for a diabetic patient, that is a diabetic syrup, and which contain artificial sugar, that is sodium saccharin, and along with citric acid, CMC, that is a carboxymethyl cellulose, orange oil, twin 20 is included in that diabetic syrup. The next point, that is a method of preparation of syrup. In that, syrup are used or prepared by using four methods. In that, first, that is by heating method. So first method, that is a heating method. By the name of that process or that method, that is heating, means with the help of heat we prepare a syrup. Means take a required volume of a vehicle. In that vehicle we add a sucrose, and that sucrose are dissolved with a rapid stirring under a heating process, and that's why that process is called as a heating method for preparation of syrup. Then second, that is a agitation. So agitation method, or in a agitation method there is a no use of a heat. That is, the syrup are prepared by using a continuous agitation. जे continuous shake करणार, continuous agitate करणार, by using a spatula, by using a stirrer, by using a different agitator, we dissolve all the sucrose in that vehicle, and that's why that process is called as a agitation method. Then third, that is a percolation. Means by using a percolation device, that is a percolator. In that percolator we entrap the cotton swab. On that cotton swab we use sucrose, and we use a vehicle, that is a purified water. So when we add a vehicle on that sucrose, due to that percolation method, means that percolation method is a repeatedly occur. So on that percolator, when we add a sucrose and that vehicle, so dissolution or solubilization of that sucrose is occur, and we get a syrup. But unless and until all the sucrose get dissolved, then and then we call as that syrup. जोपर्यंत कंप्लीट सुक्रोज त्या पर्कोलेटरमध्ये डिझॉल्व होत नाही तोपर्यंत ती प्रोसेस ही रिपीटेडली करत जायची. दॅट इज अ पर्कोलेशन मेथड. अँड देन लास्ट, दॅट इज बाय ॲडिशन ऑफ सुक्रोज इन अ मेडिकेटेड लिक्विड. तर सुक्रोज जे असणार आहे ते डायरेक्टली ॲड करणारे इन अ मेडिकेटेड लिक्विड. दॅट्स वाय दॅट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ ॲडिशन ऑफ सुक्रोज इन अ मेडिकेटेड लिक्विड. These are the four method for preparation of syrup, that is heating method, agitation, percolation, and by addition of sucrose in a medicated liquid. Then formulation of syrup. In that, first we use a vehicle. In that vehicle we use purified water. Purified water is always a best vehicle which are used for preparation of syrup. Potable water is not used for preparing of syrup because it contains both volatile as well as non-volatile impurities, and that's why we cannot use potable water for preparation of syrup. Then next, that is the adjuncts or additives which are used in preparation of syrup. So that adjuncts or additives are added to improve the formulation of syrup. For that purpose we add that adjuncts or additives. In that, first, that is a chemical stabilizer. So glycerin, sorbitol and propylene glycol is added in a small quantity to the syrup to prevent a crystallization of a sucrose. तर crystallization of sucrose होणं म्हणजेच काय की that syrup converts into the crystallization process. That is, crystal form होत असतात त्या सुक्रोजचे त्या सिरपमध्ये. अँड फॉर दॅट पर्पज टू अवॉइड दॅट थिंग वी ॲड ग्लिसरीन, सॉर्बिटॉल अँड प्रॉपिलिन ग्लायकॉल in that syrup to avoid or to prevent the crystallization of sucrose. Sometimes surfactant like twins can be combined with the syrup to dissolve certain ingredient in the syrup and to make a clear syrup. तर काही वेळा ट्विन्स हे ॲड केले जात असतात इन अ सिरप फॉर डिझॉल्विंग अ सर्टन ingredient in a syrup. Then coloring agents. So for preparing a attractive colored or attractive preparation of a syrup, for that purpose we use a coal tar dyes such as amaranth, compound tartrazine solution, green S and tartrazine. These are improve the color of syrup, and for that purpose we add a coloring agent. The next, flavoring agent. So flavoring agent are improve the flavor of a syrup, and for that purpose we add tinctures such as tincture of lemon or tincture of ginger. Then in fruit juices we use a raspberry juice, that is and wild cherry, and essence like vanilla and orange are used as a flavoring agent. Then preservatives. So the syrup which contains 66.66, that is 7% weight of sucrose, which have a high osmotic pressure. तर सॅच्युरेटेड प्रिपरेशन आहे, कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड प्रिपरेशन आहे, and due to that saturated and concentrated preparation it has a high osmotic pressure, and due to that high osmotic pressure it prevents the growth of bacteria, fungi and molds. So there is a no need to add a preservative, but a subside or safe side we add a preservatives like benzoic acid, sodium benzoate, methyl paraben are commonly used in appropriate concentration. Then use of sterilized containers and closures is also effective way of preserving the syrup. तर सिरपमध्ये सहसा आपण प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह ॲड करत नाही का, कारण की सिरप हे कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड प्रिपरेशन आहे, सिरप हे सॅच्युरेटेड प्रिपरेशन आहे, and due to saturated and concentrated preparation, that is it contains 66.7% of weight of sucrose, and due to that it has a high osmotic pressure, and due to high osmotic pressure it prevents the growth of bacteria, fungi and molds, and due to that there is a no need to add a preservative, but safe side we add benzoic acid, sodium benzoate, methyl paraben, which are commonly used in an appropriate concentration in a syrup. Apart from use of sterilized containers and closures is also effective way of preserving the syrups. Then next point, that is the storage of syrup. So generally syrups are stored in well dried or completely filled container and well stopped bottle in a cool dark place. सिरप स्टोअर करत असताना कम्प्लिटली ड्राईड फिल करायचं आहे, अँड वेल स्टॉपड बॉटल इन अ कूल डार्क प्लेस. जे कूल डार्क प्लेस असणार आहे त्या कूल डार्क प्लेसमध्येच ठेवायचं आहे. अँड द सिरप शुड बी स्टोअर ॲट अ टेम्परेचर नॉट एक्सिडिंग टू 25 डिग्री सेल्सिअस. 25 डिग्री सेल्सिअसपेक्षा सिरप हे जास्त टेम्परेचरमध्ये ठेवायचं नाही का, कारण की जर 25 डिग्री सेल्सिअसपेक्षा जर जास्त टेम्परेचरमध्ये सिरप जर प्रिझर्व केलं, स्टोअर केलं, तर अशा वेळेस विस्कॉसिटी ऑफ दॅट सिरप गेट चेंज. सो द सिरप आर स्टोअर नॉट एक्सिडिंग अ टेम्परेचर 25 डिग्री सेल्सिअस. द ग्लास बॉटल filled with a white propylene molded or black thermosetting plastic screw closure are commonly used for the storage of bottle. These bottles may be colorless or ambered color, which is high resistance container. तर जनरली प्लास्टिक जे कंटेनर असणार आहे किंवा ग्लास कंटेनर जे कलरलेससुद्धा असू शकतील किंवा आंबर कलरमध्ये सहसा हे सिरप प्रिपरेशन पॅक करायचे आहेत. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट सिरप. देन नेक्स्ट दॅट इज द इलिक्झर्स विच इज अगेन अ एक्झाम्पल ऑफ मोनोफेजिक लिक्विड डोसेस फॉर्म meant for internal use. So, elixirs are clear, sweet, aromatic, hydroalcoholic liquid intended for internal use or oral use. तर elixirs काय आहेत की दिस इज क्लिअर, स्वीट, aromatic, hydroalcoholic liquid preparation meant for or intended for internal use or oral use. That is called as a elixirs. The main ingredient of elixirs are ethyl alcohol, which is used in a concentration of 5 to 40%. Apart from that, ethyl alcohol, water, glycerin and propylene glycol along with flavoring agent, coloring agent and sometimes suitable preservatives are used. तर इलिक्झर्सला क्लिअर, स्वीट, आता स्वीट प्रिपरेशन कशामुळे ऑकर होते तर ड्यू टू द ग्लिसरीन और ड्यू टू द प्रोपिलिन ग्लायकॉल. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इट इज अ एरोमॅटिक बिकॉज इट कंटेन अल्कोहोल and that alcohol has a aroma. Hydroalcoholic means it contains sometimes water as well as a alcohol. That's why this is a hydroalcoholic, means water and alcohol liquid intended for oral use or intended for internal use. The medicated elixirs which generally contain potent drug such as antibiotic, antihistamines or sedative. जे एलिक्झर्स आहेत हे एलिक्झर्स डिस्पेन्स का केलं जातं तर जे अँटीबायोटिक्स प्रिपरेशन आहे, जे अँटीहिस्टामिन प्रिपरेशन आहे, मीन्स अँटी ॲलर्जिक आपण त्याला म्हणत असतो, जे ॲलर्जीच्या अगेन्स्ट आहे, हिस्टामिनच्या अगेन्स्ट आहे, दॅट इज अ अँटीहिस्टामिनिक और अँटी ॲलर्जिक प्रिपरेशन और सेडेटिव्ह प्रिपरेशन और सेडेटिव्ह मेडिकामेंट. Sedative means the drug which produces a calming and quietening effect. That drug is called as the sedative drugs. So that drugs are added in a elixir preparation or these drugs are dispensed in the form of elixirs. The flavored elixirs are non-medicated and are used as a flavor and vehicle. Sometimes elixirs are used as a flavored elixir which does not contain any type of medicament but it contains a flavoring agent, and due to that flavoring agent which are used as a flavor and as well as a vehicle for other preparation. Then the formulation of a elixirs. So generally the elixirs contain first, that is the vehicle. In that vehicle we use or the elixirs which are usually prepared by using a water, alcohol, syrup, glycerin, sorbitol and propylene glycol. These are the ingredients which are used as a vehicle in preparation of a elixirs. That is water, alcohol, water and alcohol. Due to that elixir is called as a hydroalcoholic. Then syrup. Due to that syrup and glycerin and sorbitol, elixirs are sweet in a taste. That's why elixirs are called as a sweet, aromatic, hydroalcoholic preparation. Then glycerin, sorbitol and propylene glycol are also used as a vehicle many a times to dissolve a certain drugs which are not easily soluble in water and alcohol. तर इलिक्झर तयार कसं केलं जात असतं So whatever medicament which are soluble in water get solubilized in water. Whatever medicament which are soluble in alcohol get solubilized in alcohol. Whatever medicament which are not solubilized in water and alcohol, that medicament are solubilized in glycerin, sorbitol and propylene glycol solution. And by glycerin, sorbitol and propylene glycol which are used as a vehicle apart from that water and alcohol. मीन्स ज्या इन्ग्रेडियंटची ज्या ठिकाणी सोल्युबिलिटी आहे त्या इन्ग्रेडियंटला तिथं सोल्युबलाइज करायचं आहे. जे इन्ग्रेडियंट वॉटरमध्ये सोल्युबल आहे वॉटरमध्ये सोल्युबल करा. जे इन्ग्रेडियंट अल्कोहोलमध्ये सोल्युबल आहे अल्कोहोलमध्ये सोल्युबल करा. जे इन्ग्रेडियंट ग्लिसरीनमध्ये सोल्युबल आहे ग्लिसरीनमध्ये सोल्युबल करा. जे सॉर्बिटॉलमध्ये ते सॉर्बिटॉलमध्ये, जे प्रॉपिलिन ग्लायकॉलमध्ये ते प्रॉपिलिन ग्लायकॉलमध्ये. मीन्स ऑल दॅट मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द सोल्युबिलिटी that ingredient are dissolved or solubilized in that vehicle. For example, paracetamol is slightly soluble in water, so it is dissolved in a mixture of alcohol, propylene glycol and glycerin to make a clear elixir. जे paracetamol है, which is slightly soluble in water, and that's why to dissolve that paracetamol we use a mixture of alcohol, sorbitol, propylene glycol and glycerin, and by mixture of that we dissolve that paracetamol to get or to make a clear elixirs. Then syrup or flavored syrup is a commonly used in preparation of a pediatric elixirs. So syrup and flavored syrup which is a sweet in a taste, so that syrup is acts as a sweetening agent. Flavored syrup which has a flavor, so that's why that flavor syrup is used as a flavoring agent, and commonly that syrup and that flavored syrup used in preparation of pediatric elixirs. जे pediatric patient जे लहान मुलांना आपण elixir देतो तर त्या elixirsमध्ये generally syrup which acts as a sweetening agent and the flavored syrup which acts as a flavoring agent are used in preparation of pediatric elixirs. Then adjuvants. So there are number of adjuvants or additives are added to improve the formulation of a elixirs. First, that is a chemical stabilizer. So the various chemicals or special solvents are used in many elixirs to make a stable elixirs. तर प्रत्येक मीन्स number of chemicals or special solvents which are used in many elixirs to make a stable elixirs. For example, neomycin elixir, or in a neomycin elixir we use a citric acid to adjust the pH in between 4 to 5 to prevent the darkening of elixir on a storage. तर न्यूमायसिन जे इलिक्झर आहे त्या न्यूमायसिन इलिक्झरमध्ये आपण सिट्रिक ॲसिड हे ॲड करते ॲज अ केमिकल स्टॅबिलायझर टू adjust the pH in between 4 to 5 and to prevent the darkening of elixir on a storage. Similarly, disodium EDTA is included or added to squeeze heavy metals that catalyze decomposition of neomycin. Then coloring agent. So coloring agent are improve the color of a elixir or for providing a color or attractive color to that elixir. For that purpose we add a coloring agent. So coal tar dye are commonly used in preparation of elixir. For example, amaranth, compound tartrazine, green S and tartrazine which are used as a coloring agent to make a attractive color to that elixir preparation, and for that purpose we add that such a coloring agent. Apart from that we add a flavoring agent to make a correct flavor or to make a palatable preparation. For that purpose black currant syrup, raspberry syrup, lemon syrup and orange syrup are used as a flavoring agent in preparation of elixirs. Then preservative. So the mold growth and fermentation in an elixir are inhibited by using alcohol 20% or more. Propylene glycol or glycerol, which are used as a vehicle, and the high osmotic pressure of elixir, which are prepared by using a syrup which prevents the growth of a microorganism. आता जनरली एलिक्झर्समध्ये आपण अल्कोहोल यूज करत आहे. सो द ग्रोथ or malt growth and fermentation of elixirs are inhibited by that alcohol which are used in a concentration 20% or more percent. Apart from that, propylene glycol and glycerol, which are used as a vehicle, as well as syrup which has a high osmotic pressure, and due to that high osmotic pressure it prevents the growth of microorganism. But apart from that, we add a preservative like chloroform water in a double strain, benzoic acid, methyl paraben, which are used as a preservative in a many elixirs. Then next point, that is a storage. So elixirs are supplied in a well-filled, well-closed, airtight glass bottle having a screw cap. आता वेल टाईट वेल फिट ग्लास का यूज करायचे किंवा बॉटल का यूज करायचं का, कारण की इट कंटेन अ अल्कोहोल and that alcohol is a volatile in a nature. That's why we pack tightly that container. Then elixirs are required to be stored in a cool place and protect from light because it contains the vehicle which is a volatile in a nature. That's why the elixirs are required to be stored in a cool place which is and protect from light. The next preparation, that is a linctuses. Again, this is an example of monophasic liquid dosage form meant for internal use. So linctuses are viscous, liquid and oral preparation that are generally prescribed for relief of cough. जे linctuses है which are monophasic liquid dosage form which are available in a viscous, liquid and oral preparation that are generally prescribed for relief of cough. They contain medicament which has demulcent, that is which liquefy the cough, sedative, that is which produces means the drug which produces the calming and quietening effect, and expectorant action, that is expel the cough from a respiratory tract. That action is nothing but a expectorant action. So the linctuses should be taken in a small doses, sip and swallow slowly without diluting it with the water in order to have a maximum and prolonged effect of a medicament. As and when require that linctuses or as and when require that preparation, that is a linctuses preparation, do not swallow the water along with that linctuses, because for prolonging or maximum the effect of that medicament we avoid the dilution of that water with a linctuses. Then next point, that is a formulation of linctuses. In that first, that is vehicle. So in vehicle, simple syrup is generally used as a vehicle for most of linctuses. As we see in a definition that linctuses are a viscous, liquid and oral preparation. So viscosity of that preparation is occur due to that syrup. So in most of syrup we use, in a most of linctuses we use a simple syrup, means which does not contain any type of medicament, that is which acts as a vehicle. Then syrup tolu is preferred in certain cases because its aromatic, odor and a flavor. The syrup of tolu जे असणार आहे, which are used in a certain linctuses preparation because of its aromatic, odor and flavor. Then invert syrup Glycerol and sorbitol solution are also used as a vehicle in a certain liquid or certain elixirs or in a lintases preparations. The next point, that is a or additives. So first, adjuvants or additives, that is chemical stabilizers. So the majority of lintases are stable because of simple syrup. Because simple syrup has a high osmotic pressures, and due to that high osmotic pressure it prevents the growth of microorganism, and that's why the majority of lintases are stable because of that simple syrup which is used in a lintases as a vehicle. Then coloring agent, to make a attractive color to that lintas preparation, for that purpose we use coal tar dyes are commonly used as a coloring agent in a preparations. Among them, compound tartrazine solution is the most popular coloring agent. Then flavoring agent, in that lemon syrup and blackcurrant syrup, oxymel benzaldehyde spirit are also used as a flavoring agent in a certain elixirs and lintases preparation. Then next, that is preservative. So simple tolu has a mild antibacterial action due to it benzoic acid and cinnamic acid present in it. Just simple or syrup of tolugen, which acts as an antibacterial action because it contains benzoic acid and cinnamic acid, and both are acts as a preservative. The linctures which are made in a sorbitol solution or diluted with the water are preserved by adding spirit chloroform and benzoic acid, which are acts as a preservative. Then storage. So linctuses are supplied in a well-filled, well-closed, airtight container or glass bottle having screw cap. The storage condition, the lintases are stored in cool place and protected from a light. This is all about monophasic liquidosis form meant for internal use, that is syrup, elixirs and lintases. Thank you.